to Skydive Indianapolis. What's your name?
Sean.
Sean.
Wendy.
Wendy. Hello, my name is Juan. I'll be Sean cameraman. Tell me, what are you doing here today?
Skydive.
Skydiving, jumping from a plane. Are you celebrating something special? No, just life.
Our grandson turned 2.
Awesome. Next time we see each other, we'll be at the plane, okay? How was your jump?
It was fun.
Would you do it again?
Oh yeah.
Congratulations, sir. You already jumped from a plane.
See?
Are you happy?
Yep.
So he named your instructor Luigi. My name is Juan. Remember, thank you for flying with us, okay?